I have finishing reading my ration paper before the lecturer asks us to submit. I have been studying for 3 hours before my friend called me to hang out. I will finish my assignment tomorrow morning. At 10 p.m. tonight, I will be working on my group project. By next Monday, I will have submit all of my assignment. By 11 p.m., I will have been working on my paper for 5 hours.